Mobile phone freedom or prison? Anchor, Assalamu alaikum viewers. In today's special report, we will talk about this magical thing that has both connected and isolated man. Yes, on the mobile phone in your hand. Is it really the key to knowledge or a time killer? Let's find out. Einstein said, "I fear the day when technology will surpass human relationships. And on that day the world will be full of idiots." Today our lives reflect this terrible era. Plato said, "Mental slavery is more dangerous than physical slavery." We have lost our power of thinking in the slavery of our mobile phones. There is a Korean proverb, "What is in your pocket rules your heart." And mobile is not only ruling our pockets, but also our hearts and minds. Confucius said, "What a person gets used to becomes his destiny." And our destiny is now tied to this small screen. Novalis said, "Asking questions is the greatest sign of knowledge."
But instead of asking questions, we have started looking for instant answers on Google and have lost our ability to think. Viewers, today is the time to look away from this screen and return to the world of reality. May Allah protect you.
If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe now. And also press the bell button so that you can be notified of each new video in a timely manner. Thank you.